अगर मुझे उसने 10 रुपए कम करके नहीं दिए तो मैं वो छोड़ दूंगी वो चीज, अगर उसे 10 रुपए कम करके नहीं दिए, क्योंकि आई एम अ बिगेस्ट।
तानिया, मुझे एक छोटा सा सेगमेंट करना है आपके साथ, फैशन सेगमेंट, क्योंकि आप फैशनिस्टा प्ले कर रही है शो में। कैन वी
राइट नाउ
योर गो टू आउटफिट?
so it has to be something white. So I love white, so white, anything in white is definitely in. So like, you know, maybe nice denims and white t-shirt like what I'm wearing. I love this.
One fashion trend you absolutely dislike?
I do not like leather pants because they अजीब से वो चिपकती है. Yeah, I don't like that.
Okay, your fashion role model or your favorite fashion influencer?
Kareena Kapoor. Like I love her.
Okay.
I love her dressing sense, and
Ooh.
मुझे सोना कपूर भी
Which
अच्छा लगता है.
character?
But the character, I loved her in Heroine also. Like she was so good in Heroine also, and then उसके सारे वो वीरे दी wedding में also I liked her. Like the dressing wise, and Pooh
Okay.
तो obviously Pooh.
So next one is your favorite shoes?
My favorite shoes are, I like stilettos.
Crop tops or off shoulders?
Off shoulders.
How would you style a white shirt in 2 ways?
White shirt could be with a denim dress also. Like, you know, I can wear a denim dress and, you know, put a knot and wear that. And I can use it as a normal traditional tucked in with a nice branded belt and stilettos and tight jeans.
Okay, this one. Wearing a scarf as a top or wearing a skirt as a dress? What would Tanya do?
Honestly, I would try the scarf trend because I have seen so many girls doing it, and I have bought 2 scarves just to make a top, but I'm not able to do it. But someday I will do it and I will post it on Instagram.
Your latest buy?
My latest buy, yesterday only I bought this really very cool denims जिसमें cherries printed है. So that is my latest buy. Like yesterday only I bought it.
Your
I like
most expensive buy?
The last expensive buy, I bought a Coach bag on my birthday, which was very expensive.
Okay. Your biggest bargain? Your biggest bargain मतलब सबसे बड़ा bargain अब तक कौन सा किया है आपने?
सबसे बड़ा bargain, यार मैं bargain तो मतलब करती हूँ, लेकिन ऐसा कोई biggest नहीं. मतलब मेरा तो ये है, like if I go to a shop and if I not like a branded shop, obviously we can't do conjuicy in that, but if I go to buy anything like in a local shop, अगर मुझे उसने 10 रुपए कम करके नहीं दिए तो मैं वो छोड़ दूंगी वो चीज, अगर उसे 10 रुपए कम करके नहीं दिए, क्योंकि I am a biggest, like I want to bargain, I love to bargain. Like अगर वो मुझे 10 रुपए कम करके देगा तो मैं ले लूंगी, लेकिन अगर उसने ऐसे बोला कि फिक्स प्राइस है तो मैं वो, अगर मुझे कितना भी पसंद है मैं चली जाऊंगी, मैं किसी और शॉप से ले लूंगी, लेकिन मैं उस शॉप से नहीं लूंगी जो मुझे 10 रुपए का डिस्काउंट भी नहीं दे सकती.
What is the most uncomfortable item but you would love to take the pain because you love it? Like a fashion item, of course.
You know those really like really tight, what do I say, pants, corset, and pants and corset, both of them.
Uh-huh.
So I recently bought a nice corset.
Okay.
And मैं पहन रही हूँ और वो मेरी बहन पीछे से खींची जा रही है, मैंने बोला सांस नहीं आ रही है, but it looks really nice. So that is one item which is really painful to wear but looks really nice. Corsets.
What are your 3 favorite items right now?
I honestly I love those cute bags. जो छोटे bags आए हैं ना, जो mini bags होते हैं, wherein it is useless but it looks really nice with your outfits. That is one, those mini bags. I love those mini bags. Then I really like those different kind of denims नीचे, like you know baggy jeans or mom's jeans or boyfriend's jeans. बहुत type की jeans है, मुझे सारी jeans पसंद आती है. That the second, and very cute off shoulder tops. I mean that is my go-to. Like these 3 things I really love. That can be a nice outfit.
One item from your wardrobe you can absolutely not go without.
I think my white clothes collection. I think I need to see white in every second number. White. I think that is something. Anything in white is my go-to.
Okay. Yes. If you could wear one thing every day, what would you wear? Every day, just one piece of cloth.
No, I don't want to do that. I want to be like colorful every day. ऐसा मत बोलो.
I put a lot of thought into what I wear. Throw my clothes on quickly or just like to be comfortable. What is Tanya?
I plan it out.
And the last one, what was the biggest waste of money for you this year? Like अब तक जितना आपने buy किया है.
अभी आई वुडंट से अ वेस्ट, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बोला, मैं बहुत ही सोच समझ के चीजें खरीदती हूँ, और एक्सपेंसिव हो तो मैं बहुत ही सोचती हूँ, क्योंकि अपनी मेहनत की कमाई है, खरीदना है. मैं इतनी भी वो नहीं हूँ कि बिना सोचे खरीद लूँ. सो इवन व्हेन आई बॉट दैट कोट बैग, देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंकिंग व्हिच वेंट कि ओके इट्स माय 25th बर्थडे, इट्स ओके तान्या, यू कैन स्पेंड दैट मच, यू कैन स्पेंड दैट मच, दैट हैपेंस. सो ऐसा कुछ मैं अनरीजनेबल बाय करती नहीं हूँ. दो माय सिस्टर थिंक्स that I waste a lot of money on clothes, but that's how it works, right? So okay, I can say that. So every month I have a budget set for myself that Tanya, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं जाना. But I buy clothes every month because of YouTube also, because we have to wear new clothes. Not new clothes, I would say like it's a myth, I know, but मेरे में भी है that I cannot repeat a lot of clothes. So for that reason also I don't go for ultra expensive clothes also. मुझे शीन बहुत पसंद था इनफैक्ट, बिकॉज शीन वाज लाइक रियली रीजनेबल एंड आप खरीदते थे, और फिर अगर आपको नहीं पहनना है तो वो ठीक है, वो इतना बजट में है कि आप नहीं भी पहनोगे तो चलेगा. So that way it was reasonable. So I buy reasonable clothes. I'm not into like hi-fi clothes, but it is thing कि मुझे ना नए कपड़े पहनने का बड़ा शौक है, और मेरे पास हमेशा कम ही कपड़े होते हैं, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
हाँ, आई थिंक ये हर लड़की को लगता है कि कपड़े नहीं है. Thank you so much, Talia. It was lovely talking to you. All the best for your show.